Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. Guys, thank you so much for all your love and support on my last video and for your understanding. I greatly appreciate it. Your girl has been so busy, and she's still busy. But I did want to come in and just, you know, spend a little time with you, share a little update on my loft, where I am. It's not yet finished yet. And I want to get your opinion on some things up there. So that is what we are going to talk about today. So thank you guys so much for your love, your understanding and support. Yeah, I will get back to my regularly scheduled content after I get back from my upcoming trip. I think I might take you guys with me. Would you like to go on a trip? Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to go on a trip with me. I think it might be fun. I don't think we've ever gone on a trip together before. So I don't know. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you would like to go on a trip. I've never filmed a trip. Have I? I think I've shown you when my daughter's gone on a trip when she went to Costa Rica. I showed you a little bit of that. I don't really think I've shown you, I don't think I showed you when I went on a trip to the bungalows in the Keys, but just little snips here and there, but I don't think I have. So if you want to go on a trip with me, leave me a comment down below, let me know. But let's go ahead and get up into the loft, and I'll show you where I am. And I also want to create a floral arrangement with you guys. You guys know I love creating floral arrangements, and I want to do something unique up there. So we're going to start with that, and then I'll tell you my plans for my loft, my New York apartment. All right, so we are in my loft space. I told you guys in my last video that we are going to be decorating my loft. So this is how the loft looks currently. So I don't know if you guys remember, but previously I had some black and white trellis looking curtains, and I took those out and I moved those into my office space. I'm trying them out. And so I had another set of curtains that are white with a black trellis. And so I thought I would bring those in here because we are lightening up the space. If you guys remember, I painted this wall black. I absolutely love it. I added the mirrors. This is not a framed TV. This is just a piece of art from YouTube. You can make any TV look like a framed TV, and I thought this print was perfect for summer. We're going to be decorating for summer in here. So I have these vases. I showed you guys these vases the other day, and we are going to be using these to decorate the coffee table. And also I need your help with the lamps. So remember these lamps, I thrifted them from the Goodwill. They were $17.99. I love the finish on these lamps, so nice. I added a white lampshade, I already had that. And then you guys remember this lamp. So this lamp was also thrifted. I thrifted it last year, it was gold. I started to clean it and the gold started to come off, and then underneath was this silver finish. So I like that, and I want to use that in the space. So my dilemma is, which silver lamp do I use? Do I use this lamp? Absolutely love it. Or do I use this lamp? Leave me a comment down below. Which lamp should I use? And then also, you probably can't tell, but I want to change out the finials on the end of my curtain rods. So these curtain rods are old. I've had these like forever and a day, and I don't want to use these anymore. And I don't really want to change the rod, so I want to see if I can get some different type finials. And so I'll put up a photo of the finials that I would like to get. So help me decide there as well. And then I love these pieces. Remember, I picked these up on our last Shop With Me trip from Home Goods. The only problem is they're translucent, so you can see like a shadow print in them. I'm not sure that I'm a fan of that. I mean, it's fine when the curtains are closed, you don't see it, but when the curtains are open, you do. But I do love the oversized pieces. Then I have that little green plant in the corner. This is a piece of DIY canvas. It was just a canvas that I picked up from Ross, and I just painted it black, like completely black on this wall. To give it some contrast. And then we have that mirror here, which I need to figure out how to clean because it's hung so high, I can't reach it. So yeah, I need some type of ladder that I can get up on that I won't break my neck on the stairs trying to clean it. But anyway, today we are going to focus on creating a floral arrangement for this coffee table. So let's get started. All right, so I have these pieces. I have this faux hydrangea. I have this artichoke flower. Remember, I showed you this came from Amazon. And then I have these two oversized palm leaves that I want to use. You guys know I love to do what I call an urban jungle or safari chic look for summer. So that is what I am going for. So I'm gonna have one of these laying this way, and then the other one I wanna have going in the opposite direction. And I wanna bend them so that they're not sticking up so much because they are going to be on the coffee table. And I don't want them to be in the way, you know what I mean? So there's that one, have that one. Whoops, break the vases, Cheryl. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with the hydrangea. This vase is really shallow, so I'm gonna bend the stems. Stick that in there, and then will this guy fit in here without breaking the vase? I like that. Can you guys see that? I like it. I like it. I don't have another white hydrangea, but I do have a green one. So let's try the green one. And we'll go in with another one of these. I like that. Okay, let's take a closer look. So here's how the floral arrangement is looking. I like that it's something different. Again, you don't see people decorate with artichoke flowers. You see them use them in the kitchen, but not necessarily as flowers, and I like that. So I love the way that looks. Will it be too distracting if you're sitting down watching TV? I'm on the remote. No, I don't think so. I think it's okay. So I need your help. Again, which lamp should I use? Should I use this lamp? should I use? That lamp. And also, what do you think about these curtains? I like them, but I don't know. I mean, they look similar to the other curtains, so you probably really can't even tell that they're different. The other curtains were black with a white trim, and these are white with a black trim. I don't know. I like it. I like a moody vibe, as you guys know, and so I think this space is giving me a moody vibe. I need to bring in some more white pieces. That's what I'm doing with the white and silver. So the loft is a work in progress. I'm thinking about changing the curtains. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about that. What do you think about the finials? And I'll put up the photos here. Oh, and you guys remember I got new chairs. So these are the new chairs. And again, to go along with the safari chic or urban jungle theme, I am bringing in these pillows. I think the black and white cheetah print pairs perfectly with the chairs. I'm going to be changing out this little coffee table. I'm changing out that decor. So yeah, some more changes are going to happen up here to lighten up the space. But again, I've been very busy. I have not been able to film. So I wanted to give you a little bit of content. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this space so far. I would love to know. Yeah, and I'm getting ready to go. I have a trip coming up. I might take you guys with me. I don't know. We shall see. But yeah, this is how the loft is looking. So the fireplace is from Big Lots, which you guys know has closed. It is no longer there. These TV stands I've had forever and a day. I think they came from Overstock or Wayfair. I don't remember, but I'm debating, should I change those out as well? You know, when you change one thing, you always end up changing other things as well. So this is how they look. I like them because I can put decor on them. You guys remember those books that I picked up from Home Goods? They were red on the outside and we painted them black, so I'm using them here in the space. That's how that looks. This vase I got from Walmart. I don't know if I told you guys that or not. I got this vase from Walmart. Look how nice it is. And it's from the Better Homes and Gardens. I want to say it was around $10. I keep my remotes in here so I know where they are. So there's that. And then I just have it styled here with these two other vases that came from Temu. I thought those look really nice. We have these vases down here. It's a collection of vases that I got thrifting. I try to have symmetry, so the white piece I have here, I put another white piece over here so it would be cohesive. I don't have a fan in the space, so I have this little fan that I will turn on from time to time. That's why it's sitting there in the corner. That wood base, it was in my primary bedroom, and then I put it here because I felt like the corner needed something. Like this corner has something, so I felt like that corner was a little naked. Those orbs, they were I used those for Christmas last year, and so I just left them there. So there's that wine fridge. I keep my drinks in. You guys know this is also, we use this as a theater room. That's why we have the oversized TV. And then I have this bar cabinet, and I have my bar glasses in here. And this cabinet came from Overstock, but that's how that looks. I have the glasses in there, and then I have more glasses in here. So yeah, I want to style this up some more. I don't know what I'm going to do on the top with those vases. If I should just leave the vases alone. That candle is not going to stay. Those books are not going to stay. That coffee maker my boyfriend uses, so that will stay. Because we do use it in the space. But this is how the loft is looking currently. I was also debating whether or not to change out the light to a different light that is a fan because it gets hot up here during the summertime. But I love the light because it's a Restoration Hardware dupe. It came from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's no longer available, and let me tell you, that sucker is heavy. When I say heavy, I mean it is heavy. I thought it was going to tear the ceiling down when my boyfriend put it up. It is so heavy, but it's been up for almost 3 years now, so far so good, knock on wood. But anyway, guys, so this is how the space is looking. This is how it's coming together. So leave me a comment. What do you think about the curtains? I feel like I would want to change them to something white. And as a matter of fact, I actually did try to change them to some really white curtains, but then it was too white and I didn't like it. I love the contrast of the black and white. You guys know I love black and white. Those are my signature colors. And I just love the monochrome look. The mirrors, again, I bring them in to bring in reflective light. So I have mirrors here and there also to make the loft look a little bit bigger. I brought in the glass table with the chrome also to make the space look bigger. This rug came from Amazon. I like that it has a black center and then the border around it, it kind of makes it look like there are two rugs when there's really just the one. But this space is just so cozy. I spend my time up here. I call this my New York apartment, and I love it. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what I should do about the curtains. What else? Oh, let me know what I should do about the lamps. What should I do about these two pieces on the end, these media stands? Should I leave them? Should I change them out? Yeah, I think that's all I need your help with, guys. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know, and then we'll come back and finish off the space. So if you want to see how the space is going to look finished in the end and you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. As a matter of fact, we still need to finish up my home office. Sneak peek, remember, home office, that's coming soon. So if you want to see how those spaces are going to turn out, make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.